In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sezzle at Walmart. If you want to split your Walmart purchase into payments using Sezzle, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to start. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full flow so you can shop with more confidence and understand what to expect along the way. First, open the Sezzle app on your device and sign in to your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving forward, since you'll need access to Sezzle's shopping and payment features. If the app takes a moment to load, that's normal, so just wait until your account dashboard appears. Once you're inside the app, use the search feature to look for Walmart. This helps you find Walmart among the retailers that may be available through Sezzle. Be sure to select the correct result so you're entering the Walmart shopping experience through the Sezzle app when that option is offered. After that, tap the shop button or choose shop with Sezzle if you see that wording. This step is important because it launches Walmart through Sezzle, which can help connect your purchase to the correct payment method. Depending on your app version, the wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. Start your Walmart shopping session from inside Sezzle. Now you can browse Walmart and add the eligible items you want to your cart. Take your time here and double check your selections before continuing. Keep in mind that availability can vary and not every item or order may qualify in the same way, so it's always a good idea to review your cart carefully. When you're ready, proceed to checkout and continue through the normal checkout process until you reach the payment screen. At this stage, pay close attention to the payment options and follow the flow presented on your screen. Next, choose Sezzle if that option appears, or continue using the Sezzle virtual card if that's how your purchase is being processed. The exact experience may depend on whether you launched Walmart directly through Sezzle or whether Sezzle is providing a virtual card for the transaction. In either case, simply follow the on-screen instructions to move forward. Finally, review your payment schedule carefully, confirm that everything looks correct, and complete your purchase. This is the best time to make sure the order total, payment timing, and item details all match what you expect. And that's it. Once your order is confirmed, you've successfully used Sezzle at Walmart. If this video helped, you can always come back to it later as a quick refresher before your next purchase.